Alrighty, so this is Erin O'Neill reporting live on my Physics Quiz 2 to talk through numbers 3 and 4. So in 3 I was to find the conservation of mechanical energy after the cylinder fell 0.75 meters, and I set up the equation as you can see here so that I could pull out velocity, which equals the square root of 2 times change in y, which is the height, the distance traveled, over 1 plus beta, which I found beta previously as 0.82. After setting up these two equations for I to equal each other. And as you can see, my velocity is 2.84 meters a second, which checks out once I entered it into the Excel graph. Okay, and then for number 4, because of the equation velocity equals radius times omega, I was able to pull out omega to identify that since I already had the velocity and the radius. This radius was the second one, so that's the one that was 5 centimeters or 0.05 meters. So I divided 2.84 meters a second divided by 0.05 meters to get omega, which equals 56.84 radians a second. And I'm glad to say that all of these check out because, well, I guess you don't get the exact numbers here, but the numbers in the Excel chart say so. Okay, wait a minute. Here. So it makes sense because well, these all add up to 1.69, and omega, oh, I guess I've got them hidden. Anyways, if you open this up, you'll find that omega equals 56.84, the velocity is 2.84, and that's when the cylinder has fallen 0.75 meters. So, yep, I think that's it. See if I can figure out how to turn this thing off now.